Welcome, everyone, to the Orientation on Budgeting and Financial Reporting. This session is part of our broader partnership to ensure transparency, accountability, and efficiency in resource planning and management. We will cover key financial processes, tools, and reporting expectations to make our collaboration smooth and effective. This session will equip you with all the necessary tools, templates, and guidelines. Let's begin. Key topics for this presentation will be as highlighted. Objective of this presentation, roles and responsibilities of each partner in this project, overview of expectations for budgeting and the best practice, overview of key financial terminologies used for this project, high-level view of the financial tools and templates available for this project, e.g., budget and report template, overview of expectations and essentials of reporting template, common challenges and solutions encountered with other partners. The purpose of this orientation is to align on the following objectives. 1. Common understanding. We'll develop a shared understanding of effective resource planning and financial management. 2. Overview of tools and processes. You'll learn the specific tools, templates, and timelines used in budgeting and reporting. 3. Equipping you. By the end of this session, you'll have the tools and templates you need to ensure smooth program implementation. And 4. Alignment on expectations. We'll discuss project expectations related to transparency, accountability, and compliance. This session ensures we're all on the same page and ready for successful implementation. Let's outline the roles and responsibilities for financial management in this partnership. Your role, partners. 1. Prepare a budget aligned with the approved work plan. 2. Ensure all expenses match the approved budget and activities. 3. Submit financial reports on time with all necessary supporting documentation. 4. Communicate any challenges or delays to the finance team early on. Our role, 1. Will provide clear budget guidelines and ceilings. 2. Review submitted budgets and reports to ensure accuracy and compliance. 3. Offer support, training, and templates to make this process easier for you. 4. Ensure timely funds disbursement as agreed. Clear communication and collaboration between both parties will be key. Key participants and their responsibilities to this project implementation include budgeting, expense tracking, and financial reporting are the responsibility of the finance personnel. Tracking spending and aligning costs with activities are the responsibility of the program team. And finally, approval of budget and monthly financial reports are the responsibility of the organization leaders. Budgeting is a foundational step for successful project implementation. Here's what we expect. 1. Draft your budget. Begin by mapping your budget to program goals and activities. 2. Review for alignment. Ensure the budget aligns with funding guidelines and any ceilings provided. 3. Approval process. Submit the budget to your organizational lead for approval. 4. Ongoing monitoring. Once approved, monitor the budget during implementation to ensure spending stays on track. We'll discuss tools and templates that will simplify this process in the next slides. Understanding key financial terms is critical for clear communication and reporting. Let's define a few terms. 1. Budget. The planned allocation of funds for specific program activities. Example, $5,000 allocated for training workshops. 2. Actuals. The real amount of money spent. Example, $4,800 was actually spent on workshops. 3. Variance. The difference between the budgeted amount and actual expenses. Example, a $200 underspend. 4. Supporting documents. These include receipts, invoices, and other proof of payments required for audits. 5. Compliance. Adherence to financial rules, reporting timelines, and guidelines. Takeaway: accurate use of these terms ensures better transparency and collaboration. To streamline the budgeting process, we've provided a budget template. Here are the key sections. 1. Budget line items. Break your budget into categories like events, program costs, or assets. 2. Unit costs. Clearly note the cost per item or service. 3. Total costs. Provide a sum of all line items. 4. Description. Add any small notes or explanations to clarify costs. How to use the template? Draft a detailed budget. Allocate costs and link them to milestones. Submit the draft budget for review and approval. This template ensures clarity and consistency across all partners.
This slide provides a detailed breakdown of our financial budgets, focusing on specific activities and cost items. The table outlines key budget line items, unit descriptions, notes on how funds will be allocated, unit types, unit costs, and total costs. Each budget line item corresponds to a specific activity or expense. For example, Youth Leader Training Workshop includes conference costs like transport and training materials for participants. The unit description explains what each cost entails, such as training per cohort or monthly stipends. Notes gives further details, like the purpose of the funds, for example, for events, refreshments, or logistics. Unit types and costs allow us to measure spending on a per person, per event, per unit basis, ensuring transparency and accountability in resource allocation. By comparing this budget to actual spending in the future, we can calculate the variance to ensure costs remain under control and align with financial goals. This template ensures we plan effectively while tracking every expenditure. For financial reporting, we've designed a reporting template. Here are its key components. Budget, the planned costs for each activity based on the contract. Actuals, the real expenses incurred for each activity. Variance, the difference between the budget and actual expenses. Milestones, use this to mark spending progress against your goals. How to use it? Monitor monthly spending to compare actual expenses with the budget. Identify variances and track spending progress. Submit the updated template for review as per the reporting schedule. This tool makes monitoring and reporting systematic and easy. This financial template was designed to monitor and evaluate financial performance by comparing 3 key elements: budget, actual spending, and variance. The budget column reflects the planned expenses, while actual spending shows how is truly spent. The variance is the difference between the two, highlighting areas of over or under spending. The primary objective of this template is to identify discrepancies, control costs, and support informed decision-making. This tool ensures financial resources are managed effectively and aligned with organizational goals. Note that every organization will receive a copy customized to its agreed budget plan. The actual spending will be lump sum amount from the monthly expense reports. Here's what we expect in financial reporting to ensure clarity and compliance. 1. Budgeted versus actuals. Compare all expenses to the approved budget. 2. Variance justifications. Clearly explain any differences between planned and actual spending. 3. Supporting documents. Attach receipts, invoices, and proof of payments. 4. Reporting schedule. 5. Submit reports on time. 6. Keep all documents organized. Tip: use the provided templates to maintain consistency and avoid last-minute errors. Consistent reporting helps us track progress and address issues quickly. Financial management often comes with challenges. Some of the common challenges that we have encountered with some of our partners are missing supporting documents, like receipts or invoices, misaligned budgets and reports. There are budget variances due to unexpected costs, poor communication, hence delays in report submission. Solutions: communicate challenges early so we can work together on solutions.
Use the templates provided to avoid errors and maintain consistency. Thank you for your attention and participation in today's session. We've covered budgeting, reporting expectations, key tools, and best practices. Remember to use the templates and follow the guidelines for budgeting and reporting. If you have any questions or face challenges, feel free to reach out to the finance team for support. Together, we'll ensure success in resource management and program implementation.